Good afternoon, everyone. I had to come all the way down here to Cataula to the Christmas tree lot here at Billy's supermarket right here on Highway 27. And these trees smell so good when I pulled up. So I have to take a walk through the Christmas tree forest here at Billy's in Cataula, Georgia. Now they have all sizes, all prices. And this is what I love about coming here at Christmas time. I love all the trees. It's so fun to come over and pick a tree out. This is like my favorite place to get my Christmas tree. These are the mid-sized trees. Beautiful. And these are real Christmas trees from North Carolina. Oh, and they smell so good. They just got a new delivery of fresh Christmas trees. And they've lined them up. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. So where are y'all located? Here in Cataula? What's y'all's address?
Ooh, I don't know. You know the address for the store is?
Those are their prices. The tabletop's $25. 5x6, $34.99. 6x7 inches. The larger ones are $149. They have small, medium, and large, and extra large wreaths of different prices. Where do these trees come from?
North Carolina.
North Carolina. All right. Well, they're beautiful.
Thank you.
Awesome. 3740 US Highway 27. All right, in the Billy's parking lot. Awesome. Awesome. I love those wreaths up there. And what are your hours of operation for this tree lot?
Today we'll close at 7.
At 7.
Just like the store does.
Mm-hmm.
But every other day we're open until 8 and 8:30 on Friday, Saturday.
Awesome. Awesome. That is awesome. Awesome. These are so pretty, these little bitty tabletop ones. They come with a little stand. Those little ones are probably my first favorite. My second favorite's the other ones over there by the road. Cute. And you can put some water down in here. Isn't that cute? I like that one. Walk through the Christmas tree forest. Oh, they smell so good.
doing a documentary on trees.
And this is my favorite tree lot in Harris County. And I love it every year when Billy's puts their trees out. They even have t-shirts inside that say Billy's Christmas trees. And it's such a beautiful forest of North Carolina Christmas trees. So beautiful. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.